name is Corey Barnett, and we are here at Latitude Bar and Grill in Bogue, Montego Bay. Latitude Bar and Grill is a sports bar and restaurant. We have been here for about 15 years now. I was working at Rio Navy at the time when I found this place. I came to watch my car actually. I saw it and I decided to open a bar. So, it's where it is now. We grow, have an inside now, and we have a nice deck on the outside. A lot of persons know the name now. It stands out in Montego Bay. People can refer it to them go down Latitude. It made it mark in Montego Bay. Some of Latitude's favorite meals is like we do a shrimp alfredo, we do chicken, but a lot of persons like the shrimp, as well as the smoked pork that we have here. We have a lovely pizza, and our wings is exceptional. From you come here, you must get something to eat. And true, I have a lot of customers that come and watch matches and stuff, so we have a lot of fingerful appetizer type, fish fillets and so forth. So we have a wide range of stuff. If you're a person like scotch and whiskey, we have that for you as well. And just like some people just like age rum and stuff, we have, the ST, the 15-year-old, the 20-year-old, have all of that available for everybody. My customers are working class customers, and they come in mostly even, chill, hang with their friends, watch some sports and just have some nice drink and some food. And most of our customers are repeated customers. And we see them today and tomorrow because, the camaraderie that we have here is very nice, And everybody is welcome.